Hey guys, Plothy here, and I just got my YouTube play button. Uh, yeah. So let's do some unbox. Yeah, ignore that. So let let's be very delicate with the uh play button. Okay. So yeah, you guys can see it's from uh it's it's to me Ploth, and it's from Susan. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy. I got my tools here. I got got my I got I got my I got my knife. So let's be delicate with it. It's important. I got 31 subscribers, so they sent this to me. I don't think the knife works, so yeah. This is hard. So I got it here, and I'm gonna try to open it. I should be delicate with this, okay? Alright. Uh-oh. So that's it for today's video, guys. Subscribe.